Denmark, where the past meets the present, where nature's beauty and cultural heritage stand tall against time. The Jelling Stones, birthplace of Denmark, mark the legacy of the Vikings, whose influence shaped the very core of this nation. Copenhagen, a city that blends the old with the new, where history is ever present, and innovation thrives in every corner. Tivoli Gardens, an oasis of joy, where the timeless magic of Denmark's most famous amusement park comes to life each evening. Copenhagen is a stage for the finest performances. The Royal Danish Theatre is a symbol of the country's long-standing tradition of art and culture. From Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tales to the Little Mermaid sculpture, Denmark's literary heritage is cherished around the world. Niels Bohr's groundbreaking work in quantum mechanics altered the course of science. His legacy continues to shape modern physics. Danish art is as varied as its landscape. From Per Kirkeby's striking landscapes to the classical sculptures of Thorvaldsen, the artistic spirit is everywhere. Frederiksborg Castle, a symbol of Denmark's royal heritage, is surrounded by gardens that blend history with natural beauty. The white cliffs of Mons Klint rise from the sea, offering views that stretch across time and nature's majesty. Denmark's forests are an escape into peace, where nature's serenity offers the perfect refuge for those seeking tranquility. Denmark's markets are a feast for the senses, offering delicious food and handcrafted goods that showcase the country's creativity. Denmark celebrates diversity and equality with vibrant festivals, like the Copenhagen Pride Parade, where the whole nation comes together in joy. Beyond the cities, Denmark's countryside offers a peaceful escape. Vast fields, winding rivers, and villages where time slows down. At the tip of Denmark, Skagen offers one of the most unique landscapes, where two seas meet, creating an extraordinary natural phenomenon. Denmark's cultural calendar is full of excitement, from the rock-infused energy of the Roskilde Festival to the soulful rhythms of Copenhagen's Jazz Festival. As the sun sets over Denmark's fjords, one can't help but feel the serenity and the timeless beauty that the land holds. Denmark, where nature, culture, and history come together in perfect harmony. Come, explore, and be inspired.